So guys, this is an example of wood cutting jungle boot camp. The people here, they spend like months, 2 to 3 months, sometimes 4 months inside this national park cutting woods by getting the permission from the national park for different purpose. I think they're especially used for homemaking, and they all like make these timbers like whole day from 7 a.m. in the morning to the 7 at evening, working 24/7. These are the pile of the stocks they have prepared by using this hand saw, traditional saw. Alright guys, now it's my turn to do some hard work. So let's see how it goes. I've never tried this before. Let's see, like hand wood saw for the first time in my life. So here you go, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, I'm ready. Okay. It's super tough. Alright guys, that was hard, man. Like, I don't know how these guys managed to do it for 24/7, like from morning to till evening. They've been doing the same. I just tried it, and like my muscles, they're already pumped, and like guys, that's totally hard work, and I salute to these guys. Their hard work, super tough job, guys. यसरी लास्टमा फाइनल प्रडक्ट चाहिँ यस्तो हुन्छ होइन, समथिङ इट लुक्स समथिङ लाइक दिस। एकदम गिलो गिलो छ, भर्खर काटेको हुन्छ, निनहरू चाहिँ रेडी हुन्छ, अनि सुकाएर राख्छ जङ्गलमा। अनि त्यसपछि लाइक वेन दे आर रेडी and people come and grab them and take it है। सो त्यही हो, उता काम मजाले चलिरहेछ। So this is our snacks for today, guys. I've been served with this rice and potato curry by our friends. Let's see how it goes, guys. Smells good now. We're gonna rate it. Guys, it's an honest review. Like, I don't know what they put inside this rice, but it tastes so good. As I used to take this kind of stuff back in KTM. Honest review, I would have to rate this 7 out of 10. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, check this out. Traditional Nepali cookery. I'm putting inside my waist so I can use like this bag. So, like they use to cut woods to make different stuff like these small tents and doors and tools, etc. So how's this, guys? Check this out. So if I shoot this to someone, like people will probably die within a second. Like you can check this out, guys. It's heavy, like 2 kilo. Like this, so sharp. Alright, guys, that was it.